In this video, I'll guide you through how to find the Facebook ad library. The Facebook ad library is a valuable tool for anyone creating ads on Facebook or Instagram. Whether you're looking for inspiration, researching competitors, or exploring advertising trends in your industry, the ad library gives you access to active ads from businesses around the world. In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 simple ways to access it and how to perform basic searches once you're there. To get started, the quickest method is to open a new tab in your web browser and go directly to the Facebook ad library page. Once it loads, you'll arrive at the main search interface, where you can begin exploring active advertisements immediately. This is the fastest way to access the tool if you already know where you're going. If you'd rather navigate to it from within Facebook, sign into your Facebook account and go to the home screen. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From the available options, select Help and Support, then click Help Center. Once the Help Center opens, use the search bar to search for Ad Library. In the search results, open the article explaining what the Meta Ad Library is and how to search it. Inside that article, you'll find a link labeled Ad Library. Clicking that link takes you to the same Ad Library page as the direct web address, so you can use whichever method you find more convenient. After you've opened the ad library, you'll need to choose the country you want to search in. Then select the ad category that best fits your needs. In most cases, leaving it set to all ads is the best choice, since it displays the widest range of active advertisements. Next, use the search bar to begin your research. One option is to enter a keyword related to your industry or niche. This will display active ads from a variety of advertisers using that keyword, giving you a broad view of current advertising approaches. You can also search for a specific company or brand. Simply type the advertiser's name exactly as it appears, then select the matching result. You'll be able to browse all of the active ads that company is currently running. As you review the ads, pay attention to how long they've been active. Ads that have been running for an extended period may indicate that they're performing well, making them useful sources of inspiration for your own campaigns. You can also switch between different countries to explore advertising strategies used in other markets. And that's all there is to finding and using the Facebook ad library. Whether you're researching competitors, gathering creative ideas, or studying successful campaigns, this free tool is an excellent resource for improving your own Facebook advertising strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.